श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। JNTU के Chevrolet Engineering College R19 third year ECE Biomedical Engineering. So electroretinogram ERG. So second electropsychological studies test involves electroretinogram, simply ERG. So retinogram. So as per the ophthalmology study, this electroretinogram has full field ERG, pattern ERG, focal ERG, and multifocal ERG. So these are the possible cases for the electroretinogram. So there are some standardized protocols for ERG. So this is optional slide. If you are feel comfortable, represent this in semester exam. Otherwise, don't worry. So they mentioned in the ophthalmology medical literature 6 standard protocols, namely, so number 1 equal to dark adaptation protocol. So what is the dark adaptation protocol equal to? And the reading. So that ERG reading is indicated 0.01. So what is the 0.01? Rod driven response of a bipolar cell. So we have in our architecture eye diagram rod and cones. So as we know that. So when the retina perceives the incoming brightness of the signal, or when our cornea perceives this light intensity generated by the what retina, that information here represented as rod driven response. So that is the rod driven response. So that indicate 0.01. And the second one is when this dark adaptation. So when this dark adaptation is 3 ERG. So that when 3 ERG, that shows the dark adaptation with 3 ERG. So during this case, combined response arising from photoreceptors and bipolar cells of both the rod and cone system. That is the meaning. So combined response. So combined response arising from the photoreceptors and bipolar cells of both rod and cones. So when dark adaptation is measured as 10-point ERG. So when dark adaptation is measured as 10-point ERG, so what is the observation says here? Combined response with enhanced A wave reflecting photoreceptor function. So in the ERG literature, the qualitative and quantitative treatment shows on this ERG that indicate the values like this one. So and what is the fourth layer, fourth protocol? Oscillatory potentials. What is the meaning for the oscillatory? potentials. Responses preliminary, which is primarily from the corresponding nerve cells. So what is the output drawn from the nerve cells? So that is here indicating as fourth layer. So fifth one, light adopting 3ER. So the light adopting 3ERG is nothing but response of the cone system. So that is A wave arising from the cone photoreceptor, and the bipolar cells similarly B wave comes from on and off cone bipolar cells. So that is the light adopting 3ERG. So the light adopting means, so 3ERG responsible for the A wave as well as B wave. So what is the last protocol? So light adopting 30 Hz flicker ERG. So that indicating sensitive cone pathway driven response. So sensitive path cone way driven response, that will indicating as light adapting 30 Hz protocol. So the next slide, another additional protocols which are supporting this ERG. So with respect to ERG, so what are the several additional protocols which helps to drive the this ERG? So suppose first column indicate the significance, second column indicate the application. What is the column 1? ERG to long duration flashes. So what is the meaning for that one? Separation of on and off pathway. So these are the separation of the on and off pathway. So when dark adopting the luminance response series, so nothing but when this ERG has luminance brightness alternation, so that adaptation can be treated or applicable in SCOTAP sensitive and gain. So what is the scotopic sensitivity and gain equal to some biomedical applications as well as medical care applications in the ophthalmology. So they use this factor while treatment the particular patient. Similarly, S-cone ERG. So what is S-cone ERG? Assessment of short wavelength cones. Cones and rods are very primary components in the eye diagram. S-cone ERG, it will use for assess the short wavelength cone. What is the short wavelength equal to in the eye bar pattern? So the potentiality of the largest signal that will arise from the cone. So that is simply called here S-cone ERG. Next, photopic negative response, PNR, photopic negative response. So this type of response applicable when ganglion, so when ganglion cells and inner retinal functions are simultaneously operate. So that is photopic negative response. So another one is dark adopting long wavelength. So it is the dark adopting long wavelength. So it will resembles the application. So separation of the DA and rod and cone functions. This is the separable values of the dark adopting case. So light adopting luminance. So what is the light adopting luminance is indicates photopic sensitivity and gain. Similarly, this light adopting on the particular cone will able to resemble or will able to uh, watch the photopic sensitivity and particular gain. Next one, saturated A wave series. So what is the saturated A wave series? That indicates the rod sensitivity and gain. So that is rod sensitivity and particular gain. So that indicates the corresponding ERG. Similarly, double flash ERG, early receptor potential, direct current ERG. So these are the additional protocol literature that helps to drive the ERG applications in the biomedical ophthalmology instruments. So for example, what is the scotopic threshold response protocol? So this protocol helps to drive the information regarding rod mediated post receptor process. So in this way, we have to maintain the protocol layers for the simplified ERG model. So to better understand the functionality of this ERG, so here we have a basic principle of the ERG. So simply in which way this ERG will be implement or simple algorithm or protocol for the ERG. So in the ERG, sudden illumination of the retina. So what is the sudden illumination of the retina? So when the retina perceives the proper information from the objects or environment, that will call here sudden illumination of the retina. Next step, simultaneous activation of all the retinal cells to generate the current. So it is the simultaneous activation. So the simultaneous activation of the all retinal cells to generate the current. So in the ophthalmology, optic nerves, so these rods and cones are uh, along with optic nerve, which are able to drive the signal. So therefore, simultaneous activation of all the retinal cells to generate this current values. Currents generated by all the retinal cells mix, then pass through the vitreous and extracellular spaces. So when optic nerves identify some biopotentials, so you are familiar about a biopotential and a biocurrents in particular eye diagram. So when these biopotentials are illuminated and when these currents are generated by this retinal, so we have to make the passage of these current through the parts vitreous and extracellular spaces part. Next, high RPE resistance prevents summation current from the passing the posteriorly. So when RPE resistance are used to prevent the summation current. So what is the summation current equal to? When these optic nerves are activating soon, there are biological currents are generated or observed across the narrow optic axis. So this RPE resistant prevent as well as summated the currents from this passing the posteriority function of the resultant structure. Next, small portion of the summated current which escapes through the cornea, that should be recorded as ERG. So it is the small portion of summated current. The small portion of summated current means when the particular uh, small portion is here, this optical nerve cross section. So that is called here small portion. So whatever be the currents that are generated by these optic nerves, so they are the resultant currents which are be able to drive the escape through the cornea, that should be recorded as the ERG. So in this way, finally our resultant voltages are observed in the ERG pattern after successful treatment like this. So these are the several electrodes which are used for the experiment ERG test. Jet electrode, gold plated electrode, skin electrode, DTL electrode. So these are the possibilities of electrodes which are used in the particular ERG experiment test. Jet electrode, gold plated electrode, skin electrode, DTL electrode, some HK loops, and Baran Allen electrode. Clear? So how these electrodes are be applicable for ERG test? So here I shown some active electrodes. So number one is active electrode. So where the active electrodes are placed as shown in the picture. So these active electrodes are used for recording of particular biopotentials of the resultant electrode. And similarly, hard contact lenses that covers scala such as Baran-Allen electrode and Doran gold plated electrode. So which are showing in some active electrode. So now come from figure B, so which is the coronal ERG electrode. So zoom this picture in your screens. So the lens lubricant and corneal anesthesia are used. So while you are taking this test or while implanting some lenses, so the lens lubricant and corneal anesthesia is generally used for the specific area of the eye. And a filament type electrode placed on the lower lid, so including gold foil electrode, DTL fiber electrode, and HK loop electrode. So this type of filament type electrode, this type of the filament type of the electrode are be used for the lower levels of the gold plated electrodes. So in this way, some active electrodes are helpful for our So you are familiar about reference electrode. So how the reference electrodes are helpful for biopotential reading. So the reference electrodes may be incorporated into contact lens speculum assembly in contact with the conjugate material. So when these reference electrodes are used in place of bipolar electrodes, which are the most electrically stable configuration. So although monopolar contact lenses electrodes which are separate reference generally produced the larger amplitudes. So in this way, the generality of the roads are be implemented. Skin electrodes which are placed near orbital and temporal location of the eye, which are used as the reference electrode from the corresponding the eye diagram. So these are the specific waveforms for the ERG. So normal waveforms. So number A is figure number 1, which is called A wave. So what are the characteristics of the A wave equals to? Generally, it has a negative amplitude. So it is A wave. So these are the corresponding oscillating parts inside the ERG. And similarly, B wave. So what is the B wave? So B wave has a large positive wave. So comparative to A amplitude, so the B wave has a very large amplitude. So this B wave arises from the muscular cells representing the activity of the bipolar cells. So both the A wave and B wave are regularly used the corresponding ERG implementation. And with respect to B wave distributed by the 3 or 4 wavelets at the ascending limb known as the oscillatory potentials. So what are the oscillatory potentials are nothing but in between A and B wave. So we are estimating some ripples. So we are estimating the ripples. So those are called limbs or wavelets. So that are represented by here. So another one is C wave. So these are the status of the ERG waveform, A wave, B wave, and C wave. So C wave has very lower amplitude and positive cells. So when positive cells are also be very low. So when this is the eye retinal diagram. So in the particular eye retinal diagram, just to zoom the picture. So you have pigment equilibrium, rod cone, bipolar cell, so corona cells. So when the light incident on this rod and cones of the coronal optical cells, so automatically the light perceived by the corresponding optical cells. So the equivalent optical cells which are able to reproduce the light into the electrical signal to the brain. So that will represent the metabolic activity of the RPE in response to the rod signals. So that is represented in the C wave function. I think you are all looking this C wave. So this is the B part, B wave. This is the initialization, A wave, and this is the final status of the C wave. So, and these are the various extra literature from the corresponding pictures. So suppose for this is the ERG pattern. In this ERG pattern, this limb, so the measurement from the baseline to the trough, so that is called here A wave. From here to peak, that is simply called measured from the trough of A wave to the maximum peak of the B wave. So that will be measured as B wave. So very important for the semester examination. So how to measure the ERG pattern, amplitude and corresponding A wave and B wave. So this is measured. So A wave is measured from, this is the baseline to the trough, that is A wave. This value plus maximum peak. So measured from the trough of the wave to peak. So total value, that is simply called B wave. So thank you for all participants who are actively participating in this video session.